Building meaningful friendships and confident communication starts with the right tools. In today's vlog, we are sharing the ultimate social skills starter kit, everything you need to assess, teach, and strengthen social skills for children and teens in a fun, evidence-based way. Hi, I'm Shira.
And I'm Shayna. We're behavior analysts who create weekly content about how to teach children with autism so that they make real progress. And we create shareable resources to make your job just a little easier. Today's topic is all about Social Skills Starter Kit. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new video releases.
So when we are talking about social skills, it's a really important part of what we do. And like a lot of other things we do, we want to be prepared. What are the things that we need to know, we need to have within our starter kit as BCBAs? The first thing that we start with any programming is always going to be an assessment.
One of our go-to assessments is the socially savvy assessment. It's really great at breaking down social skills. The world of social skills is so complex because it's so vast. Social skills can mean, just conversations with other people, but it can also mean just ordering at a restaurant or going for a walk without running away from somebody. So we really do need to define what those social skills are, but have a look at this socially savvy book because it is, like I said, it will give you a lot of really great ideas. There's some really great teaching tools in terms of social skills. So based on the results of your assessment, determine what your goals are and what you want to teach. You can also take a look at a how-to ABA assessment, and we've developed that. It's free. You can click on the link below and download that. But these social scenario cards are fabulous. What's really great about them is they're just a stock photography picture, but then on the back, there's, a paragraph, there's some questions about it. So if you're teaching individually, you can use these cards, or if you're teaching as part of a group, maybe one of the students can read the cards and another person can answer. If the student can't read, maybe the teacher facilitates this and then the students take turns talking about their answers. Another common card would be photo pragmatics, and these are great as well. Again, stock photography cards, and then they've got a little description below. So it really does prompt some of those social skills and the social pragmatics. Getting to know you cards are really awesome. These getting to know you cards are wonderful in a social skills group and really help with that initial sentence starters and those kinds of things. There's also structured curricula. So there's a whole bunch of different flashcards and things like that you can use to help facilitate conversations. But then you can also buy some structured curricula. One of them is a power solving social skills curriculum that you can use. Another one is social skills solutions. And here's the social skills solutions too. So again, depending on what your goals are, take a look at what's inside these guides, and they can be really great in terms of directing. Keep in mind that every single program is individualized and should be individualized. So these aren't just cookie cutter. You have to individualize these. They can't just be cookie cutter programs, but they give you a really great guide of how to conduct social skills. Other things to look at are things like reinforcement and data collection. Tally counters are amazing. I'm not going to share my screen for a tally counter, but tally counters are really great because it's a really simple way to collect data, and you can track social interactions on there. You can track requesting from a peer, some reactions, responses, those kinds of things. There's also some targeted social growth activities. Like, check out this book. It's called The Kindness Detective, and it is really cool to try and teach empathy and perspective taking. Again, you can do this in a group or you can do it one-to-one. There's also something called Smile and Succeed for Teens. And it's kind of cool because this teaches a little bit of internet safety and that digital etiquette as well. I love this book. Something for learners who may not be as socially savvy, the social skills storybook. I don't love necessarily social skills or social stories in and of themselves. Social stories in and of themselves don't change behavior, but sometimes social stories are really great priming techniques. Like, hey, you're going to the dentist, let's read this story ahead of time and it'll tell you, all these things that you can do at the dentist. Or even better, hey, let's read this social story and then we can role play what kinds of things that you can do, out in whatever environment you're in. So you can check out that social story book as well.
So in terms of how to use these materials successfully, there is no one size fits all. Everything really needs to be individualized, but these will give you some ideas. And you can layer some of these resources, use different things from different places to really individualize age appropriate programs. And then also making sure to blend what seems like a more structured lesson. So if you're doing something like cards or any of the books we recommended, incorporating the natural environment teaching. So doing lots of real life practice. If you're doing the modeling, then having there be feedback and reinforcement in the natural environment are really great ways to make sure that the social skills that you're teaching within the lesson are used and practical for real life.
So, whether you're a BCBA or a speech pathologist or a teacher or a parent or other professional, this social skills starter kit has everything you need to help learners thrive socially. Check out the description for the direct links to each of the resources that we mentioned today and start building your kit today. For more information on Social Skills Starter Kit, click the link in and around this video or in the description to claim your free social skills assessment from How to ABA. We also encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future videos, and leave a like and comment below if you have further questions.